Open Hey Photo. Click on AR Video. Click on Go Create. Select a video from the phone's photo album. The maximum duration of the video is 15 seconds. The slider below can be used to select the video segment. Click Confirm. Click Next. For printing photos, you can choose either a video screenshot or an image selected from the phone's photo album. Click on Video Screenshot. Slide the box below. Select the image. Click Confirm. Click on Print. Click OK. Wait for the printing to complete. Take out the printed photo. Open Hanin Instant and click on the AR icon in the upper right corner. Aim at the photo to unlock the AR function.